Giga, if you can hear me, say hi. I missed a shot. Yeah, you missed, you, bad. He didn't say hi. That means he either missed it, he's not in stream, or I don't know. Oh my god! Uh, oh my god! On Junkyard? That was it. Super Doomsday! Oh my god! Oh my god! Here we go. This is a Super Doomsday on Xbox controller. First time on Xbox controller. First Super. 33rd Doomsday. Why is it? Oh. Is this my first? This is my first talking while Doomsday or whatever. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna be fine, guys. We're gonna be fine, guys. Trust us. Trust me. We're gonna be fine, guys. I'm gonna cheat, but that's gonna be the only way I'm gonna survive Doomsday. Do not the aliens. If it's just the aliens, then I'm gonna die. It's 3:13 p.m. for you, and it's 2:13 for. Okay, you're an hour ahead. Good luck, guys. May Mother Nature have mercy on our souls. I'm shaking. Me too. Why am I wasting my light? The world will come to an end and no one will survive. Oops. Super Doomsday. I am not ready. The end is near. Oh really? I'm scared. Here we go. I'm shaking even more. We got this, guys. I'm jumping because the lightning hits that. What? What? It did the aliens for real? Oh god. Ah! Ah! Spread out, guys. Spread out, guys. Spread out. What? No, I haven't. I can't really talk right now. I can't even hear you. No. Goodbye. I'm gonna jump whenever the aliens start. Oops. I'm trying to do this thing. No idea for me when staying up. I cannot see a thing. Another failure of species and planet. You are pathetic things. The outside does not tolerate failure. This day shall be remembered as the day that fell to the powerful outside. We will reduce your planet to atoms. Oh really? 6. This isn't totally a shush. I can't even tell. I hope I don't go into the corner. That'd be bad. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Keep responding, guys. Jesus Christ. Sorry, don't. Oh, I'm not in the air. I'm not even in the air. Hold on. Okay, fall a little bit. And then jump again. Right here. Right there. Jump. Don't! How have you already died 8 times? No! No! What? Don't. Okay, where's the barrier? Huh? I got out of bounds! I got out of bounds, guys! What did I do? I did not know this is even possible. What the heck did I just do? Okay. I think I'll be fine. Guys, I did this on accident. I never knew how to do the barrier glitch. I just found out on accident. We're still alive. Oh god! It can still get on the other side. That guy got impaled. Just don't move. Just don't move. Let me zoom out. I think I just... It went out of bounds. Okay. Okay. I survived the first one. Kind of cheating. This is more cheating than I already was. But, oh, if it's Tsunami, I might be dead. Jake! Jake, it's Super Doomsday! What is it? I got this. I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. No, 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 I can't get out of bounds. Okay. No! No! Please, no! No, no! Don't go out like this! No! The goddamn bomb! Come on, I was gonna survive super. Dang. Ah! Get out of the way. Where's the edge? I just need to find the edge. Find the edge, and we'll be fine. Wait, where's the edge? Where's edge? Don't! Just find the edge. Just find the edge. You'll be fine. What am I touching? Oh, the mic. I think this is the edge. This is the edge. This is the edge. So then... What just happened? I have no idea what. Ah! My leg! My leg! My coil! My coil's gone, guys! Uh-oh. Guys, my coil! My coil's gone! Well. Not really anything I can do now. Are we really still doing the you will not survive thing? That's too close. I'm running. Oh god, the spikes are gonna be a problem. Run to the other side and don't stop. Go. Guys, is the audio glitching? Tell me. Please tell me. Jono! Ah! No! Run! Run! Go! Go! For the love of your life, go! Okay, right here is fine. Right here is fine. What? Ah! My tail! My tail was gone! I didn't realize! Jump! What do you mean you are boarding me? What the fuck? Okay, go right there. You'll be fine. Right here. Just stay right there. Oh my god, that is awesome. That is epic. That's 2-0. Oh, Jesus Christ! That was on time perfectly. If someone survives this... Yeah, it's tragic, yeah. Jesus Christ! This is Super Doomsday, you idiot! What do you mean, Nerf D-Day? I can't speak, or I'll fall. Stop it! Okay, this is fine. Wait, is this... Did it just surge? Did it say surge? I'm confused. Shut up! Jump. Right here. Media, shut your mouth! No one's trying to listen to you. Damn. Let's do the 0. I can't even hear myself at this point. Jesus! That was too close. That's a surge. That's a surge. Okay, just stay high. Stay this high and you'll be fine. Where am I? Okay. Stay right here. Stay right there. Do not move. Stop sliding. Right there. You'll be fine. Media, if you don't shut up, I'm gonna do it for you. This looks so cool. That's an amazing shot. Yeah, why would you choose Junkyard for Doom? Oh, I fell. Wait, no, I didn't. I didn't fall. No. 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 A spike is right below me. Okay, fall. Ow! That hurt. Very bad. Okay, I'm gonna wait until I see it. Okay. This is gonna be more difficult. Oh, fuck! Run! Run until you die. Ow! Oh my god. Why? Oh, this guy's being a fucking 2-year-old. What the fuck is wrong with this guy's head? This guy is fucking retarded! Jump. Ah! You know what? You know what? You know what? Fuck you. Jump. No. No. Was that the move? Yeah, it was. Holy fuck! Guys, I don't think I'm okay. Wait, no surges? Was that no surges or was that one? Alright, let's see if we can even last until it ends. Okay. Okay. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Ow! What the heck is that? Ah! Well then. Wow. Wow. Alright then. Tragic, yep. Look at the map, guys. Look at this. Everything is gone. Nothing but a tragic end. Well then, that was a very fun stream. That was very fun. Alright. Alright, since I actually, got Doomsday with voice. Okay, shut up, audio. Since I finally got Doomsday with voice, I think I have. Yeah, I have. But, in this kind of like way of the video, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and if you want to be notified whenever I upload a post, hit that notification bell and turn on post notifications. And that was it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.